Visit the ALERT205 dashboard after your ALERT205 has been configured. It's a great place to confirm all measurements and communication settings have been properly configured. It displays current station status, internal measurements, and the current value for each configured measurement. The dashboard also allows you to perform common tasks, such as triggering a test transmission, entering manual stage values, and adjusting precipitation accumulations. The Monitor Data tab lets you view your data in real time, as well as historical data. There are 3 tabs in this window: Record, Table, and Graph. Here's the list of available data tables. Choose the table you wish to view. In this case, select Sensor Values. The Record tab shows the current value for each field in the table. Switching to the Table tab shows historical data for the table. Use the scroll bars to move through the data to see all records. The table updates as new records are received. The Graph tab shows the data as a graph. Once again, you can control which fields to plot and how many records to show. Use the Monitor Data tab to download data to your computer. Select the table, then click the blue Save button. Select the options for the file format and apply filters as needed. Save. The file is saved to the Downloads directory on your computer. And that's it for viewing and retrieving your data. The next video will cover the built-in diagnostics of the ALERT205.